It's recording. All right, here we go. It is working. All right, today, yay, 322. Hopefully it won't stop working. So logarithms. You don't have to memorize this because you have notes, but this is what logs are all about. And I wrote it out in... So, if you start with, say for instance, example 1, the big number. That's your base. This is base 10. And obviously the 4 is your exponent, and it equals some answer. Okay, this is exponential form. Okay, so I wrote it down small. B to the x, or the base to the exponent equals the answer. Okay, so what we want to do is learn how to transpose it from this form into log form. Okay, so log form. So we're going to change this exponential form to log form. So we rewrite this as log of base 10. So it's a little subscript number of 1,000 equals 4. Okay, so you rewrite them as log. This is my base number. My base number becomes a base 10. Okay, it's a subscript number.
It's 10,000.
Oh, thank you, Saul. So, in fact, you can use your calculator if you want to just check it out. Now, your calculator doesn't show base 10. That's because this is what we call common log. Common log, why is it base 10? Because we live in a base 10 world, don't we? We count in base 10. We do all our math in base 10 because we have 10 fingers. Well, thumbs and fingers, right? Yeah, exactly. So if you did log, the base 10 is invisible, but the 10 is base 10 on the calculator of 10,000. And you get 4. Of course you get 4 because it's 10. It's saying 10 to what power equals 10,000? 4. Daisy, yes.
How do we change the base for log?
Great question. We are going to learn that, but not today, okay? We are going to learn that, okay? So then, same thing here, okay? We've got then, we're going to go just the opposite. So if we want to change this to exponential, here's my base, right? Here's my base to my exponent equals my 10,000. Okay? So all you're doing is transposing it from one form, from exponential to log, or from log to exponential. Okay? So that's my base, and that's my exponent. That's my base, and that's my exponent, and that's my answer. Okay? Now example 2, we do the same thing. Okay? We're going to go log, that's my base, right? The 2 is my base, log base 2 of 8 equals my exponent. Okay? Thumbs up on what I'm doing. Okay? Thumbs up. And if you could do log base 2, but your calculator doesn't do log base 2, but if you could do log base 2 of 8, you would get 3. Because it's saying, it is really saying 2 to the third power equals 8. Here it is. So now, same thing. Let's rewrite it. It's really saying 2, that's my base, to the third power equals 8. Not too hard, is it? Okay? The real power of logarithms is going to come when we have to solve for x, right? That's when logarithms are going to pay off. Okay, now, example 3. Here's our e. Here's our e. Now, e, so we write this as log base e of 7.389 equals 2, right? So here's my base, log of base e of my 7.389 is equal to 2. Thumbs up when I'm doing this. This is my base number. This is my exponent. Now, log base e is, in fact, if you can see in blue, they're together, aren't they? They're inverses of each other. Here's my e to the x, and here's my natural log. So we won't write it. We will not write it. So let me put this in a nice... We will not write log base e. We'll write ln. We'll write ln because when you write ln, it means this of 7.389 equals 2. So when you see ln, it means log base e. Okay, one more time. When you see ln, it means natural log. I know ln means like how is that natural log? It's the log that is natural. We get a lot of words in math from other languages. Does that make sense? I mean, if you were speaking Spanish, you wouldn't say natural log. You'd say the you would say the log that is natural, okay? And the rest of the world speaks a little bit differently than we do, okay? So ln means natural log. And then the base is invisible, but we know it's log of base e, okay? Everybody got that? When you see ln, you know it's log of base e. Capiche? So then if I look here, it should have been written as ln of 7.389. It should be. Because we will not write log base e. We will not. We'll write ln. Okay? Whenever you see log base e, it should be ln. Okay? So then if we have to rewrite this, this is going to be, now my base is an invisible e, e to the 2 equals 7.389, because ln really kind of means log of base e, right? Thumbs up so far? Okay, good. It's not hard, is it? As long as you can transpose it from one form to the other, you're going to be in good shape today, okay? All right, let's take a look at the back, okay? Now, okay, same stuff. Change to exponential form. I think we can do this, right? Okay, so we're going to go. Tell me what we're going to do. What am I going to write?
3 to the 4th power equals 81.
Piece of cake, right? You guys agree?
Yeah.
Nice job, Saul. Everybody agree with Saul?
Yeah.
How about 5?
X.
10, right? Nice job, 10. Invisible base is what? 10, right? So there's an invisible 10 here. If they do not tell you the base, it's always base 10. It's common base, common log. Okay, then it's 10 to the x equals 100. And we could solve for x, couldn't we?
X is 2.
X is 2. You could use your calculator and get 2. Check it out. I totally agree it's 2. If you use your calculator, okay, well, what is log of 100? It better be 2, right? And it is. It is 2. Okay? X equals 2. Okay? And then finally, what about 6?
E to the 2 equals X.
Yep, totally right, because it's log base e of x equals 2, or e to the 2 equals x. Thumbs up? Pretty easy, isn't it? Okay, so let's look at our journals today. I want to go to page 145 on the journals.